Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners. It's hot, it's cold, it's sunny, it's raining, it's cloudy, it's windy, it's snowing. What do you drink when it's hot? Iced tea or coffee? You say. Iced tea. You drink iced tea when it's hot. What do you eat when it's cold? Soup or salad? Soup. You have soup when it's cold. What do you do when it's sunny? Stay at home or go to the park? Go to the park. You go to the park when it's sunny. What do you wear when it rains? A hat or sunglasses? A hat. You wear a hat when it rains. What do you do when it's cloudy? Go running or swimming? Running. You go running when it's cloudy. What do you do when it snows? Go shopping or skiing? Go skiing. You go skiing when it snows. What do you wear when it's windy? A hoodie or shorts? A hoodie. You wear a hoodie when it's windy. When do you wear shorts? When it's hot. You wear shorts when it's hot. When do you wear a coat? When it's cold. You wear a coat when it's cold. When do you wear sunglasses? When it's sunny. You wear sunglasses when it's sunny. When do you go running? When it's cloudy. You go running when it's cloudy. When do you wear a hat? When it rains. When do you wear gloves? When it snows. When do you wear a hoodie? When it's windy. You wear a hoodie when it's windy. You wear a coat when it's cold. But what's the weather like today? It's hot. Today it's hot. You wear shorts when it's hot. But what's the weather like today? It's cold. Today it's cold. You wear a hat when it rains. But what's the weather like today? It's sunny. Today it's sunny. You wear sunglasses when it's sunny. But what's the weather like today? It's raining. Today it's raining. You go skiing when it snows. But what's the weather like today? It's cloudy. Today it's cloudy. You go running when it's cloudy. But what's the weather like today? It's windy. Today it's windy. You wear a hoodie when it's windy. But what's the weather like today? It's snowing. Today it's snowing. That's it for today. Thanks for coming and see you again next time. Goodbye.